Welcome to the DentiMax Tip of the Week. Today we're going to take a look at customizing your filters and customizing your view in DentiMax. We'll start by going to one of our lists. We'll take a look at the insurance plan list first. You'll notice in the options menu, you've got the option to customize your view and customize your filter. Your filter is this top section in gray where you have the option to search by different fields. We're in the insurance plan list. If you want to search for an insurance company based on the group number, we've got to add the group number as a filter. We'll start by clicking Customize Filter, and depending on the screen that you're in that you're trying to customize, it'll give you some different options. We'll go ahead and choose from group number, and something else you might want to search by for an insurance plan could be employer or possibly even the group name. We'll just scroll over to our right a little bit further and see if there's anything else that you might want to search by. Perhaps one other option you might want to search by is which fee schedule is attached to that insurance plan. Maybe if there's an option to not bill the insurance. Go ahead and click OK, and all of a sudden you notice up here at the top you've got the option to search by fee schedule, employer, group number, group name, and any insurance plans that have selected do not bill insurance. We'll go ahead and search by fee schedule. Perhaps you're looking for all of the insurance plans that you have attached to this Mercy fee schedule, and that's the one plan that you have listed. That's one way you can utilize these filter options up here. If you want to search by employer, you can just click the drop-down menu now and perhaps choose Intel, and there's the one insurance company you have that is hooked up to Intel as an employer. If we go back here and take a look at our screen, you notice that the code, the name of the insurance company, and their address is what you see in your view. You can resort your data based on the insurance company name if you'd like, instead of the insurance company code, simply by clicking on those blue headings. So now we have these in alphabetical order. Obviously, there's not a whole lot of data that you'd want to resort because you're usually not going to be looking for an insurance company based off of the address. So something else you can do here is customize your view. We'll go ahead and click Customize View, and now you can see currently the viewed fields are code, name, and address. Something I personally like to see is the employer, and we'll go ahead and click this arrow over button, and also the group name and group number when I'm deciding which insurance company I want to choose for that patient from my existing list. You can also choose to see what fee schedule that plan is attached to, and for those of you who like to be really thorough when it comes to insurance, you can even choose the deductible and perhaps the individual max benefit. And clearly you can see there's several other options of things you could choose to see in your view. We'll go ahead and click OK, and now you can see our viewed options as they were here before, but we've added employer, group name, group number, fee schedule that plan is attached to, the individual deductible, and the individual max. If we keep scrolling to the right, you'll see the phone number for that insurance company as well. You can also reorder these items or make that column smaller. For example, if we want the employer over here next to code, I just left click on it and drag it over here and let go, drop it down. Now we've got the code of the insurance company, the employer's code, the insurance company name, address, group name, group number, fee schedule, deductible, and so on. I'm going to shrink these up a little bit just so you can see more information on the screen at once without having to scroll across. These are all tools designed into DentiMax to help make things go a little more quickly when you're deciding which insurance company to choose for a patient, if it's already in your system or not. For example, if you have a patient with Great West Healthcare as their insurance plan and everything matches so far through the name construction inspection and the group number's a match, you've got the fee schedule linked up. When you get here, maybe the patient that you're trying to enter their insurance for has a $2,000 maximum. You know that this plan won't work for them because their benefits won't get calculated correctly towards the end of the year if they happen to use most of their max. If we resort our information by insurance name, and go take a look again, you notice that there's no other Great West Healthcares listed in your computer. So that should tell you you have to create a new plan with Great West Healthcare and put in the patient's insurance information that you have on hand and make sure you input the $2,000 max for that person instead of using this insurance plan with a $1,500 max. The easiest way to go ahead and do that right from here is to select the plan and then choose Copy this plan. Now we've got a secondary plan with Great West Healthcare. You can simply edit that plan and tweak whatever details necessary in the coverage tab to make sure that reflects that patient's current insurance information. And of course, save your changes. Now you've got two different plans to choose from with the same group name going to the same insurance plan, but one for $1,500 max and the other for a $2,000 max. You can customize your filters and customize your views in several other screens as well, such as the patient list, the provider list, the ASAP list, the will call list, and several others. So the key here is to customize your filter and customize your view so that you can search by and see the things in that particular screen that will be most helpful for you. If you have any other questions about customizing your view or customizing your filter, feel free to give us a call at 1-800-704-8494. I hope this week's tip of the week will help you be more organized and more efficient on a daily basis. Thank you.